Hello everybody, Blue Dooley, and in this fairly short video, we're going to put the new speaker boxes, or speaker box, in the 53 hauler, and we'll go through some sounds. I'll start up the engine, we'll play some tunes on it. I'm not sure how well the sound is going to translate from the sound kit to the GoPro mic to what you hear on your end, but the having two slightly better quality speakers, to me, in real life, it does sound a little deeper, a little richer. Uh, it sounds better than one speaker, that's for dang sure. So let's get into it. Now that it's on the desk, you can actually see the profile I gave it. A little hole to feed the wires out through. I don't have these screwed down yet. But this is what the single speaker is, what was in all of the video you've seen with the sound out of the 53 hauler. So this is a 2-inch 4 ohm full range loudspeaker. These are 2.5-inch 4 ohm full range loudspeakers. I realize it's a black speaker in a black speaker box sitting on a carbon fiber black desk, but this is version 2 of my speaker box. This one is in 2 pieces and actually has some holes, so you can either screw the 2 halves together or just maybe use 2 pins and then glue it together after you get the speakers in. There's a hole to run the wires out of. So I'm going to get some shoes on and we'll go out in the garage, get these speakers soldered and wired up and the speaker box put together, and then we'll get it in the truck. Got the speakers wired up and the box put together. I did put a little of the rubber CA along the bottom there just to kind of help hold it together. But I got the cab off the truck. And this is going to be kind of a pain in the butt one-handed. So it just tucks in there, just nice and neat. And I'm going to get some double-sided tape on it, get it taped down, and then we'll get it hooked into the sound kit and the truck fired up. And we'll see how much better it sounds with 2 good speakers. As you can see, it actually clears that front cross member. And does. Just tucks up under the cab there, out of the way of all the shocks and links for the lay frame stuff. Need to, of course, zip tie my wires, clean them up a little bit, but there we go. Maybe I can get you an angle where the GoPro will actually show you where they're sitting at. So let me get a battery in it now and we'll fire it up. Yep, that's going to do it for this video. And the install of the sound kit is in a previous video. So this video is just the new speaker setup, and I flipped through a few songs that are programmed on the Beyer USM-RC-3 unit that is in the 53 hauler. And I will be sure to put links to the Thingiverse file so you can download those speaker boxes if you want to put them in your Redcat or any other 10th scale vehicle. The Thingiverse page actually lists its dimensions in standard and metric, so be sure to check that out too. There'll slowly be adding files to it as I keep coming up with new stuff, but that's going to do it for this video, so we'll catch you in the next one.